Broadway Dreams is an incredible program that we are excited to welcome to NSU University School. Broadway Dreams will be offering an audition workshop. We call it a triple threat audition workshop because in musical theater you have to be able to act, sing, and dance. And so if you want a leg up in the audition process, you have to come for September 14th and 15th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's going to be an incredible experience with actual Broadway stars. We're welcoming Quentin Earl Darrington, who is a phenomenal actor, a phenomenal singer, and a phenomenal dancer. So you really do have to take advantage of this unique opportunity. Be here or you are going to miss out on perhaps one of the best experiences that University School has to offer.
In musical theater, you sing, dance, and act at the same time.
Concept.
So this is your moment. Don't just think about the 8 counts. Don't just think about the choreography. Think about your character as well.
Georgia, Georgia, the whole day through, just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind. Georgia,
I want you to understand that this week I'm not going to take just okay. I'm going to really be looking out for you, giving you your all.
sound comes as sweet and clear as moonlight through the pine.
You should not have to change who you are to get a show.
No one else can be you, and no one else can be the parts that you can be. No one.
Other eyes smile tenderly, still in peaceful dreams I see the road leads back to you. Ooh, Georgia, Georgia, no peace I find, just an old sweet song keeps Georgia.
You have to get to the root, to why you're saying these things, because someone picked these words for that same feeling. You have to apply that life experience to this story experience. So don't just sing the lyrics, you have to live the lyrics. That's all musical theater is. Singing is just an extension of living in musical theater.
The unreachable.